Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. All right, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the menu icon. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Profile Details. Here, scroll until you find the Add Music option and tap on it. At the top right corner, tap the plus icon to open a list of available songs. Browse the list, choose the song you want, and it will appear on your music page. Once added, tap the three dots next to the song and select Pin to Profile. A confirmation message will appear. To verify, return to the menu page, tap on your profile name, and you will see the selected song pinned to your profile. So that's basically how you can add music to your Facebook profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks!